Well, hello everyone. Today in a different area, here where we do all the edits of what we do. As we are working hard on all the cars that we are having here, waiting for parts and doing little details, which is quite difficult to film a full video. Meanwhile, in the normal garage, we were repairing a Range Rover Sport in aluminium, and I wanted to actually show how we edit that and also all the process of how we repair this aluminium car. As you can see, the car has damage actually to change the door, and we don't change the door, and we repair it, we weld it, we do it in a proper way, and yeah, I hope you like the video that you will see after my speech, and yeah, enjoy in 3, 2, 1 inside video. Oops! I take a second to stop the video just to say, if you're really enjoying our video and you really want to help us, just click the screen on your mobile phone or take the remote control of your TV, just going down there and just give us a thumb up. It really helps us to grow in our channel. So let's continue. So we have finished the process of welding, and now let's start in the process of paint. I just want to let you know that if you haven't seen the video of this Alfa Romeo GT Junior, how the car arrived and how we are doing all this resto mod, let's say, because the car from 75 horsepower to 203 horsepower in the bench, it's going to be amazing, and it's going straight to US. So keep in tune and enjoy the rest of the video.